Coming up. I overfly not one but two noise abatement areas. And can I land on the numbers?
Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog, and here at Enstone, a new airfield for me and for Take Flight, my club. Just started up the aircraft in Bravo Golf with the Hamble conversion today. Just getting a...
Traffic for Charlie rolling southside grass.
Just having a listen on the radio as we're on a traffic service just to find out where everyone is. There's three runways here, grass south, grass north and the hard, which is in the middle. Shortly I'm going to taxi to Foxtrot, I'm going to do my checks. Then we're going to enter 26 hard and do some right hand circuits. So I hope you enjoy this short video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It really does help my channel. Please leave a comment below. Enstone traffic, Golf Alpha, Victor Bravo Golf, PA28, taxiing to Foxtrot for 26. Foxtrot. Going around me. I'm on my wave. I'll get her up one day, So here we've got 26 north, 26 north, grass.
Enstone traffic, Golf Bravo Whiskey Papa Hotel is entering and backtracking on 26 hard.
Enstone traffic, Golf Alpha, Victor Bravo Golf, lining up 26 hard. Golf Bravo Golf, rolling 26.
Enstone traffic, Golf Golf Victor, descending dead side.
Here we go. Spin line.
Enstone traffic, Golf Bravo Whiskey Charlie Yankee inbound from the northeast, 5 miles to run. We'll descend on the dead side for 26 north side grass.
Enstone traffic, student Golf Tango Alpha Mike India, downwind runway 26 hard, touch and go.
One of the best things about filming my flights is that I can review what happened and learn how to improve on the mistakes I make. There were definitely a few things that were taken over here. So I'm looking for an aircraft ahead of me that took off on the grass who's in the circuit as well, and I'm conscious not to bust the circuit height of 800 feet. Before I know it, I'm off track and over a noise abatement area that I should avoid.
Golf Golf Victor, backtracking 26 hard. Enstone traffic, student Golf Tango Alpha Mike India, going around.
Enstone traffic, Golf Bravo Golf, downwind for 26 hard. Touch and go.
I'm now fast approaching another area to avoid, so I make a turn to the right, but I still clip the edge.
Copy Charlie, rolling southside grass.
I'll get back on track for the rest of the circuit.
Enstone traffic, Golf Victor, vacated 26 hard.
But I definitely went over some noise abatement then, hopefully they will notice.
Golf Charlie Yankee is rejoining the circuit from the dead side, behind the Cub, currently crosswind.
Enstone traffic, Golf Bravo Golf, turning final for 26 hard, touch and go.
Enstone traffic, student Golf Tango Alpha Mike India, downwind runway 26 hard, touch and go.
Golf Charlie Yankee is crosswind behind the Cub.
Power in.
Golf X-ray Charlie downwind 26 outside grass.
Golf Charlie Yankee is also downwind, contact camouflage Cub ahead.
This is my second circuit. I'm coming in to land on this one and I'm planning to land on the numbers, but can I do it?
Enstone traffic, student Tango Alpha Mike India, final runway 26 hard, touch and go.
Busted 800 feet. Enstone traffic, Golf Bravo Golf, downwind to land 26, final, full stop.
Golf X-ray Charlie, final 26 outside grass.
Golf Charlie Yankee, finals for 26, north side grass, contact one ahead.
So I was a bit right of the runway. I got it set to the left. Enstone traffic, Golf Bravo Golf, 10 final, 26, hard, full stop.
Enstone traffic, student, Golf Tango Alpha Mike, India, downwind, runway 26, hard, touch and go.
Golf Charlie Yankees backtracking 26 north side grass.
Thank you for watching this short video. If you like, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up button and leave me a comment below. I'm really going to enjoy sharing more flights from Enstone with you. Take care, and there'll be another video coming very soon.